at what I'm saying, that whenever you have generated a print, right, and you have applied it or whatever, then you can just export it. The best thing feature about this particular application is you can export it in the 360-degree video recording. You can export it in GLB also, right? So see, the best thing for you all, because you are guys are working with Frame VR also and taking your models there, you guys can quickly bring your garments here, create different types of prints, put it here, and then export it in GLB, and it will go and it is ready for VR, right? So without doing all the claw thingies, you can quickly do here with the prints. That is one thing with GLB, and then you can take it back again in claw also, because it is in OBJ format. So claw takes anything in OBJ also. So if you are exporting from here, it is suitable for claw 3D as well, and for for FrameVR as well. One thing. The second thing that I want you to do is go for this 360-degree video recording, and you export it, and within like a few seconds it kind of gives you the print, right? Look, for me it has come, right? So I'll just show you. Oh, can you can all see my screen, right? Yeah, cool, awesome. One second, I'll show you. So yeah, I actually got the print here, and now when I open it, you'll be able to see how quickly it's given us the 360 view of the garment. So itna nikalna in claw is very painstaking. Okay, you might need, like, for this 360 frames, although claw gives you better quality frames and stuff like that, but if you want to quickly visualize the garment in 360 degree, यहाँ पे कुछ seconds में हो जाता है. Claw में it takes a few hours for you to render this and then bring it out from claw. So 360 frames for 360 degree, claw does that, and like I said, a long time. So yeah, that's one coolest. These two export features are the best thing about this. You can take the most advantage of it, and future may it is also going to give you DXF patterns. What is a DXF file? A DXF file is when you can actually print the pattern directly. This is a printable format where you will see the printed patterns outside, and that can be directly taken to cutting machine. So that is a DXF format. So this application is something to look for. That's why I've included it in this course, because none of the applications are giving you right now in DXF, in 360, in GLB and OBJ, right? So abhi tak this software has not evolved so much, but looking at the way it's going, if you and it is free to use, one of the very few completely free to use applications, at least now. They are saying that if you read up about them, they're saying that they might include charges in the future, but up until they are not doing any charges, you can freely bindas use it, and then take it for your work. So there are a few other websites that I wanted you all to take up today. The F word is one, and there are many applications that I want to introduce to you this week. Next week onwards, we'll work on defocus.ai. So yeah, this is the one that I was talking about in Fab. This is the Fabricant website. So the fabricant.com basically. Okay, so go to the app, the fabricant.com, and then once what happen, I'll just actually do it and just show you the Fabricant. So this is the website that the Fabricant offers you. It is telling you what all it can do. So since they are telling very well, let me show you. So basically you can do sketch to image from this, right? So you have a sketch put in there, and it does bring out better. In this particular feature also, this is better than the F word. Okay, so you can put your sketch and you'll get pretty good and decent images out of it. We will do that. I have done that in the past. Then there is model photography also. In this feature also, this is better, but this particular application does not give you the 3D capability, so you have to go to the F word for that. For this, you can do only these two features, which are available for you for free. There are design tools like sketch to photoreal is this, and then create image is not something that is right now not allowed. It is unsubscription. So the Fabricant is a paid website, and you have only few limited features to try for free, but you do it anyway. So once you go and click on try for free, it will take you to this particular page, and then here you have like these four features. Okay, on the left there is a library, and then there are four features. The first feature is not available unless you actually take the subscription. You can take the subscription, you can try for free for 5 images, but these are the two features that are available even without subscribing. So sketch to image and photo studio. Okay, other than that, create image and edit images on pro subscriptions. For that you can take a pro subscription of $0 per month, but again it will give you only 5 free generations per day. All right, you'll not be able to generate more than 5 photos on one day. Tomorrow you can try another 5. So I'll use my 5 credits for the day to show you all what this can do, and you all can also try or use up all the 5, and then we'll move on to the next website. But this is a really good, if you want to use a paid website for AI generation for photo shoots. This is a really good one, and this is one of the most popular ones also in the market right now because of the kind of work it does. There are 3 boxes here, you can see, right? The first box is choose sketch image or drag and drop the sketch image, and the right side is choose reference image and drag and drop so whatever you want to. uh, so yeah, either this or that, or you can do both. So it is optional. Okay, for sketch to image, let me choose a sketch, right? From either, so as soon as you click on it, it will give you example gallery, or it can go to my assets, or it can go to, so in my assets I had put Selvi's sketch yesterday. Okay, and it came out really well. I'll upload any one of my own as well, I can do that. So yeah, this one is what I had done earlier. Yeah, so this is the sketch, and I can put a prompt here saying that make it in lace fabric with orange and white gradient organza fabric. You can give more details, but then I will just do this, and then you can go to advanced and you can see what is the accuracy. So generally accuracy, anywhere where they ask you for accuracy, will come to this section in other softwares as well. So accuracy is very good until 0.85 max. Anywhere beyond that you might not be able to. So you have to give them some the AI some leeway to make changes of its own. Okay, and then you can try 100% also, whatever. And then their style is 0.8. It's set by default. What it is, it determines if output should be closer to the reference image or the prompt. Okay, so if you give reference image, how closer it should get to the reference image or the prompt, it will tell you that. So let's make it 0.9. Then there is a seed. So basically, what is the randomness value? So means AI can generate anything random, right? So the seed value determines that how much randomness can be used to generate your garment, and how will it be different from the prompts that you have given. Okay, so you can try these parameters. There is something called as negative prompt as well, meaning what you don't want from here. For example, I don't want a one particular layer on this garment, so I can say delete the first layer of the garment and keep only the bottom layer, right? So I can do that. Is a negative prompt. You can choose the whatever, if you don't want watermarks. There were some images has watermarks, so you can delete the watermark here. You can delete the hanger, right? You can delete the human from here. So all of these are given to that. That is what advanced setting is. And then once it's done, you can click on the arrow button and it will generate the garment for you in less than 10 seconds, I believe. Yeah, mostly. Right, so it has given me the orange and white gradient, made of iridescent silk. Okay, so it has made a slight changes on its own. Okay, so it has given me organza fabric, orange and white lace, and it has added in on its own soft lighting, romantic and ethereal, detailed belt, all of that, right? So yeah, it's come out pretty close to the original. So I have used my 1 credit. It was 5, now it's become 4. So you all try to, and Photo Studio is another one that I want to show you. In Photo Studio, you have to give two images. One is the person's image and second is the garment image. Okay. So let's say I put a person's image either from their existing models, or I can upload, let's say, my own image. Let's say I want to put this. Okay, it does not take the face very well, but you can try. It will bring it closer to you, how you look basically. So I'll take my image here. Where is it? Yeah, it's come, my image, and now I can choose the garment image that I want to put. Either I can choose from their garments, or I mean, since we are mostly working on our garments, let me see how it works. Okay, I'm thinking of going, let's see how I can put this. What does it do? I've never used this particular. I've used their existing garments. And if you want to prompt more, you have to upgrade to Pro. But with this much, what it does is, let's see. It is probably going to make a person like me wear something like this. Let's see. Yeah, she doesn't look like me at all. But yeah. So that's also not really very accurate. If I want to make changes, so then I can actually go ahead and make changes in it, but that requires subscription. So you can just edit the face, and if you go to edit image, you can just edit the face and you can say put this person's face in there and regenerate it again. It should be able to work, and all that is under Pro subscription. I have used my 2 credits to do this and show you what I had created. I'll show you what I had created yesterday. Wait. So the garment, the Selvi's garment that I created looked something like this, which was a better production generation than the F word basically. So this was the so there was this was the image, and this is how the garment came out, which is so close to it. Even it has taken the, we did not need the flowers on the side for the garment, but it has taken that also. So it's pretty awesome, and it did take my photo also and made me look somebody like that, but I did not save that. It may probably was looking so hideous that I did not want to save it. Yeah, I have it in library, probably I'll show you. Yeah, so I had my photo where I'm wearing this jeans, which I just imported, this one. Yeah, so this was the image that I had given for reference, and then this was the garment I wanted to wear. So it has taken my jeans and everything and it's put a kurta on top of it. So it does close if this person does not look like me, but okay, it's passable. So that's what this software is capable of doing. You all can try your own uh, iterations and choose your credits and see how it goes. These two features. This Fabricant is better for that than effort. Go for it, try it, and let me know if you face any issues.